Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Mazda BT50, stock number 6137. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel turbo engine. The front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight, right front guard, no dents, right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door, no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console in, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,